Hello and welcome to another tech tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own podcast for free. This is going to be a two-part video. In this part, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the RSS feed for your podcast, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to record a podcast and how to publish it to iTunes. Okay, as if you don't know, which you probably should, is the whole world is now into podcasting, making your own videos on YouTube, and social networking. Those are the three main things that the world is into on technology. So, lately I've been trying to figure out how to make a podcast just for fun, and I kept stumbling into the same problem: how do I make an RSS feed? Now, if you watch any videos, they're going to show you how to use a feed burner site or another site like that. This site is very self-explanatory and it is extremely easy. You do not need to have another website for it, nothing else. All you need is to just have this website handy. So the first thing you need to do is open up your internet browser. Go over to Google and type in Mypodcast recorder. Now, right here, Mypodcast, right there. Click that, and this is what you should come up to right here. If you do not have this page, click on Create Podcast, and this page should come up. Now, first thing you need to do is click Create Your Podcast for free. Okay. Now, all this stuff varies on really what you want your podcast for. For timing reasons, due to YouTube's 10-minute time limit, I'm going to fast through the process of making mine. So when I'm done, I'll catch back up with you guys. Okay, now I filled out all of this stuff right here, and you should have too. And now you have to come down to your verification code, F3TZ5. Now you have to click I have read and accept all terms. Hit go to next step, and this is where you get to create your podcast's page. Now, it really doesn't matter what you do with your page. I like podcast 9 right there. Let's go out of that. My podcast 9. Okay, create my podcast. Congratulations. My account has been created. Now, right here, you should get this download podcast recorder version at 2.08. I already have this program. It looks like this right here. Right here. So where you can create your podcast. So after you do download that program, go back to the website and hit go to my podcast. Now there you go, all set up. So I've already downloaded this, so hit dismiss this message, and now read this right here. You have 2 ways to create a new episode with the help of my podcast recorder, which is recommended, or you can, for Mac users, you can also use GarageBand, but I highly suggest using my podcast recorder right there. It's the best, and it's their recording software, so you really don't have to worry about a problem. That's it for this video. In the next part, I will show you how to create a podcast and publish it, and go publish that podcast to iTunes. This has been Techman518. Please subscribe